Maintaining a neat and well-groomed lawn requires the right tools, and BLACK+DECKER has introduced an innovative solution with its cordless 3-in-1 combination string trimmer, lawn mower, and edger. This versatile device offers the convenience of 3 essential lawn care tools in one compact package. Designed for small yards, tight spaces, and quick touch-ups, it promises efficiency, ease of use, and portability. But does it live up to expectations? Let's take an in-depth look at its features, performance, and user feedback. 3 tools in one: mower, trimmer, and edger. One of the standout aspects of this BLACK+DECKER model is its 3-in-1 functionality. The ability to switch effortlessly between a mini lawn mower, a string trimmer, and an edger makes it a versatile tool for homeowners who don't want to invest in separate equipment. The design allows for quick transitions between modes without the need for tools, making it user-friendly and efficient. This makes it an ideal choice for small yards, narrow spaces, or areas that require detailed trimming, such as around flower beds, fences, and walkways. Performance and cutting power. The trimmer/mower features power drive transmission, which helps prevent bogging down, ensuring consistent performance on grass and weeds. The AFS, automatic feed system, is another plus, allowing for continuous work without the hassle of bumping to release more line. The adjustable height deck and pivoting handle add to its ease of use, ensuring comfort for users of varying heights. Cutting height options range from 1.6 to 2.4 inches, making it suitable for maintaining a tidy lawn but not ideal for cutting overgrown or thick grass. The cutting diameter is relatively small, meaning it will take more time to mow a larger yard compared to a traditional lawn mower. This model is best suited for properties up to 750 square feet, making it a solid choice for small urban or suburban lawns. Battery life and charging. The cordless design eliminates the hassle of dealing with extension cords, providing more freedom of movement. It comes with 220V lithium-ion batteries, offering extended runtime. However, battery life remains one of the biggest concerns among users. While each battery lasts around 20 to 30 minutes, it may not be sufficient for larger yards. The charge time is about 2.5 hours for a 60% charge, meaning users may need to plan their lawn care routine accordingly. Ease of use and maneuverability. One of the highlights of this BLACK+DECKER model is its lightweight and compact design. Weighing significantly less than a traditional lawn mower, it's easy to maneuver and ideal for seniors or individuals who may struggle with heavier machines. The pivoting handle enhances control, and the unit is designed for quick and easy assembly, which many users appreciate. Its maneuverability is also a major benefit, especially in tight spaces where a standard mower might struggle. The transition from mower to trimmer to edger is seamless, making it an excellent tool for those who require quick touch-ups or have uniquely shaped yards. Customer feedback. Pros and cons. With over 11,000 reviews and an average rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars, this BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 mower/trimmer has received mixed feedback. Here's what customers love and what they think could be improved. What customers love. Lightweight and easy to use, perfect for seniors and those with small yards. Versatility. The ability to switch between mower, trimmer, and edger is a huge plus. No cords. The cordless design adds convenience and ease of movement. Automatic feed system. Continuous trimming without the need for manual adjustments. Great for small areas, works well in tight spaces and small yards. Common complaints. Battery life issues. Each battery lasts 20 to 30 minutes, which may not be enough for medium to large yards. Not suitable for large yards. The small cutting path and battery limitations make it impractical for big lawns. Trimming quality varies. Some users report that the trimmer struggles with thick or tough weeds. Plastic build. A few customers feel that the build quality is not as durable as traditional mowers. Takes longer for larger areas. Due to the small cutting width, mowing takes longer compared to standard mowers. Final verdict. Is it worth buying? At $159.99, the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 cordless lawn mower, trimmer, and edger is a great investment for homeowners with small lawns and limited storage space. It offers excellent versatility, ease of use, and maneuverability, making it perfect for individuals looking for a lightweight and portable lawn care tool. However, if you have a larger yard or need extended battery life, this might not be the best option. The batteries drain quickly, and the cutting width is relatively small, meaning it takes longer to complete mowing tasks. That said, if you need a tool for small-scale maintenance, quick touch-ups, or detailed edging and trimming, this BLACK+DECKER model is a practical and efficient choice. For those interested in purchasing, be sure to check out our video description box for exclusive discounts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations.